Good day, everyone. This is James, and welcome once again to Maths with James Tutoring. So our problem for today is this. What is the slope of the graph of y equals 1/3 times the quantity of 29x plus 10 plus 5x in the xy plane? So before we proceed to the answering of this problem, let us be reminded of one specific form of the equation of the line, which actually has the information on the slope and the y-intercept as well. So that is actually the equation y equals to mx plus b, wherein our m is the slope and b as the y-intercept. So all we have to do is to just express this equation in the form of ms plus b, and the slope is actually the value of m. So here's how to solve this one. So the first thing to do is to actually distribute 1/3 to 29x and 10. And that will give us y equals 1/3 times 29x plus 1/3 times 10 plus 5x. So that simplifies further to 29 over 3x plus 10/3 plus 5x. So we can actually combine 29 over 3x and 5x, but since 5 is not a fraction, we'll force it as a fraction. And to combine it actually with 29 over 3, we will force this 5 in the form of 5 multiplied by 3 over 3x. So the reason why this is that is because we need to make sure that the fractions are similar so that we can add just the numerators. So we'll just write everything. And take note that instead of canceling 3 and 3, we will just multiply 5 by 3. And therefore, we have y equals 29 over 3x plus 10/3 plus now 15 over 3x. And with this, we can actually combine 29/3 of x and 15 over 3x, and that simplifies to y equals 44 over 3x plus 10/3. And therefore, our slope is actually 44 over 3. So that's it. And thanks everyone for watching. For more exciting videos, please subscribe to Maths with James Tutoring. Have a nice day, everyone.